Hi, I'm Tyler with Airworks Heating and Cooling. Today I would like to go over a couple things about de-winterizing your air conditioner. When you get ready to start it up in the springtime, there's a couple things that you can check just to make sure that you're not going to have any problems on startup. Now, if you have it covered, go ahead and remove your cover. Those covers are to keep things and debris, icicles from falling into it during the winter months. And that's one of the first things you want to check. Is everything intact? Does the fan still look like it's supposed to? I mean, are there any parts missing, dings, dents? You just want to basically do a quick walk around, make sure all the parts look intact. There's a couple other things that you want to check when you're starting up your air conditioner. You want to check the wiring, make sure that it's all intact right here and right here. Make sure everything's still fully intact. You're going to want to check your copper lines and make sure that they're not kinked or bent. You want to make sure that these caps are all in place. That helps keep the refrigerant inside the system. It seals it up. One other thing you're going to want to do is check your disconnect box. You're going to want to make sure that the power's onto it correctly. You'll open it up and check your connection here, make sure everything's where it needs to be. Again, I'm Tyler with Airworks Heating and Cooling out of Salt Lake City, Utah. Quick tips on de-winterizing your air conditioning unit.